In this video, I'm going to discuss 7 tips how you can get your first assignment. This is Parminder Tanjal from Photos Universe Studio based in Ludhiana. I am portrait and fashion photographer. In this video, I am going to discuss how you can get your first assignment. First of all, search all the modeling agency in your area, then region, then you can hit countrywide modeling agencies. Also find how you can connect with them. I mean, you want to do high fashion and they are not serving high fashion industry, and you want to do catalog work but they are serving actors. I mean, you should do some research about modeling agencies. If you do research, maybe you will get the idea. If agency is practicing legitimately, check them whether they have open calls. You can check their websites or social media handles when they have open calls. Open calls are better than online submitting. Maybe due to COVID, they are avoiding or trying to reduce open calls. So obviously, in the open call, they can see you, you can see them, who they are. You can do test shoots. Test shoots are best learning method for models. You can learn so much, like how to work with photographers, know their phrases, how to communicate with photographer, how to face camera, and so on. You can see your look, you can see your poses, you can see your outfits. Test shoot could be indoor, outdoor. So doing test shoots are really important. You can earn experience. I do so many test shoots. Like I need to experiment with lighting, new gears, and new gears, so I need models, and model gets pictures. It's mutual growth, and models gets picture, and you can use these pictures as your portfolio. Simply check a photographer's work, and if you look at their work, follow them on their social media handles. Usually they post like they need models for test shoots. If you follow them, you come to know they need models for test shoots, and just jump into it. In result, you may get a chance for paid job with same photographer, or he can recommend you to someone else. It's networking. Boom, you get your first job. It's simple. It's win-win situation. Why modeling agencies? A new video is coming about it. How this whole system works. Do not miss that video. So subscribe. Do not miss that video. Never miss a chance to work with a photographer. I feel, and I should say, I experience most of the new and fresh models who they believe they are models. They do not step in until someone is ready to pay them. I suggest this is the main reason you are lacking behind. Because one is paying you, you are ready to do your first pay job. Anyone, whether it's your client or photographer, will not pay you unless you have experience. And it's universal truth. No one will pay you because they need you. There are so many youngsters who are ready to work to gain only experience. Experience is real worth of your career, which will last with you forever. Experience will last with you longer than anything else in the world. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button.